Now consider this given problem statement. So it is given here that f subscript k and here x is sin x power k plus cos x power k. So we need to compute the value of this. So first of all, this is the given quantity to us. This is the given function to us, right? Now if you observe here, if I compute this f subscript 6 with x, so this is nothing but, instead of k I will be writing 6 here, right? Now we need to resolve this part little bit, right? So we'll be resolving this. So here, this is the given equation to us, this is the given function actually, and then we'll solve this particular function, right? So this one can be written as, this one if you observe, I can write this one as sin square x and here power 3, and similarly the same thing I can do it for cos as well, right? So this will be cos square x to the power 3, right? Now next I will be using the identity, that is a cube plus b cube. So this will be a plus b, this will be a plus b times a square. So that is sin sin x power 4 plus cos x power 4, and this will be minus ab, that is sin square x times cos square x. This is the identity that we know. Now if you can observe, resolving this further, so this turns out to be 1. So whether you write 1 or not doesn't matter. Now if you observe this part, so this can be written as, this remaining part can be written as sin square x, I mean sin x square and here squared, and this one cos square x and here we are having squared term, right? Now again I can apply the formula a square, the identity a square plus b square, right? Now here this one can be written as a plus b first of all, right? So here a plus b, that is sin square x plus cosine square x, a plus b, and then minus 2ab, right? That is 2 times sin square x times cosine square x. Now if you observe here, so this sin square x plus cos square x, this becomes 1, and this negative 2 same quantity, and this is one time present here, right? So this is minus 3. So finally this becomes 1 minus 3 sin square x times cosine square x, right? Now similarly if I resolve, if I resolve this particular function, that is for 4, so this is something that we have already resolved it, so I'll just use the previous terms, right? That is, this one can be written directly as this, and this in turn can be written as directly as this part, right? And this is nothing but, it is already 1, so this would be your 1 minus 2 times this quantity, right? Now we have the values, so we'll compute this, so we'll compute this part, right? And then we'll take inverse of it. So now we need to compute this required one. So this is 1/6 of this particular quantity, right? So within parenthesis, and then on the other side we are having this part. So this f subscript 4 of x can be written as this. Now on resolving this one, we will get negative 1 by 12, right? Negative 1 by 12, because you can observe here, this on multiplying, this will be 1/6, and this will be 3 over 6, that will be half, and this will be 1/4, and then this will become half. So on resolving this part, we are going to get negative 1 over 12. Now for the final answer, that is, we need to compute this entire within the inverse part, right? So now this value is something that we already know, so this will be the absolute value. So we need to take the absolute value of this, and then we need to perform inverse operation, right? So this will result in 12. So 12 will be the answer for this problem statement, right? So if you know the identities directly, you can solve it very quickly, otherwise you will have to go through these steps. So it's recommended that you remember this part, that is sin power 6 sin x power 6 plus cos x power 6 is equal to 1 minus 3 times sin square x times cosine square x. And similarly for this, sin x power 4 plus cos x power 4 is equal to this. After substitution of this, we got negative 1 by 12, and when we resolved this according to the given problem statement, we got the answer is 12.